In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Salesforce Lightning. Whether you're looking to organize your data more efficiently or customize your Salesforce experience to better fit your business needs, adding new fields is an invaluable skill to have. So let's get started by walking through the entire process step by step. First, we need to log into your Salesforce Lightning account. As a quick reminder, ensure you are either an admin or have the necessary permissions to create or modify fields. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen for a gear icon. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, and from there you should choose Advanced Setup. This is where you'll manage and customize the settings related to your Salesforce org. Now let's move on to the Quick Find box. This feature is a huge time saver because it allows you to search for specific items quickly. Type in Object Manager and click on it once it pops up. This opens the Object Manager where you can see a list of all objects available in your Salesforce instance, such as contacts, accounts, or any other custom objects you may have. With the Object Manager in front of you, select the object where you plan to add the custom field. For instance, you may choose Contact if you're adding a field to the contact records. Once inside the object's details view, look to the left panel and click on Fields and Relationships. This section lists all existing fields and is where we can create new ones. Next, go ahead and click the New button to start creating your custom field. Here you will be presented with various field types like text, number, date, pick list, checkbox, lookup, or formula, among others. Choose the field type that best suits your needs for the data you intend to capture. For instance, if you're adding a list of predefined options, pick list is ideal. Once you've selected the field type, click Next. You'll now move on to defining your field details. Start with the field label, which is the friendly name of the field displayed to users. The field name will auto-generate from this label, although you can edit it if needed. Depending on the field type you've chosen, you will also need to set specifics like the length, available values, or any rules that apply. Click Next again to proceed to set field level security. Here, decide who within your organization can see or edit this new field. It's crucial to ensure the right people have the appropriate access. Last but not least, choose the page layouts where this field should be visible. Once you've finished configuring these settings, simply hit Save to create the field. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom field in Salesforce Lightning. Keeping your Salesforce data customized to fit your needs can greatly enhance productivity and user satisfaction. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide as you continue to tailor Salesforce to your organizational needs.